This are the Jamaican language unit. We just want to know so we don't know who write them something here, but if we want to stop COVID-19, listen to all time people. Family, tell me if I lie me I tell. Most of we grew up with the parents and grandparents where they have the same rule them like I used today to tap the COVID-19 virus area. No sit down nowhere in the house in your outside clothes. Go and go take them off and bathe. Wash your hand and foot them out the door before you come in the house. Take off your shoes them and left them on the veranda. You know walk and carry no germs in the house. Keep away from people yard. Go and go find one book for read and turn in the house. You love too much company. Now come tell me about Kentucky Fried Chicken or Tasty Patty. Food in the house, go near me. Left friend and company alone. Turn at your yard. Just come take the dose of aloe or sulfur bitters. You need one good wash out, cause people are catch all kind of something. When you're done, one spoonful of Feral will build you up. Make sure you say your prayers a year. Me say cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Nobody no want catch your germs.